Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fasting Tracker. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Fasting Tracker and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Fasting Tracker. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.